NoMoreNoobie here. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a bullet follow effect for your montages in Sharefactory using Fortnite and replays. So if you're a PS4 player and want to learn how to make awesome gaming videos using Sharefactory, then please do subscribe if you haven't already. Okay, so if you liked my other videos where we had the 360 camera effect or the writing on the wall effects, this is very much similar. And if you do add these sort of effects to your montages, I really do believe that it does make them so much better. So totally worth doing. And if you do it, let me know in the comments whether you had any joy or not, and let me know if you do upload it onto a video so I can see. Okay, so in order to do it, you obviously need a clip of your gameplay to use. So this is my original clip there. Okay, and what we want to do is once we've recorded that clip, then we go into Fortnite, into careers and into replays, and then we find the part of the gameplay that we want to use, and then we use the right stick to change the camera angle, like here where we just keep pushing the right stick until we get to drone free. Once we're at drone free, we want to use a D-pad to change the speed of the clip as slow as it possibly can go. So we're going down until it's as slow as it can go. And then we're using the square and the circle buttons to change the camera speed so that it's at drone speed 2 times. As soon as you've done that, you can push the left stick until all of the writing disappears, and then double tap on the share button on the controller, and that will start recording. And we want to be ready to push play and follow the bullet as soon as it comes out of the gun. And then you want to have practiced this a few times, but just record as many as you need to until you got it right. When you get close to the target, then ease up off of the sticks and it will just glide into position, and you just need to just time it right. And it's just okay. So I think I did this about 6-7 times until I got it, this one, which still wasn't perfect, but I thought it was the best one out of the ones that I've tried. Once you've done that, double tap the share button on the controller and that finishes recording. And then we're finished in replays. We can go into Sharefactory and we want to go into the clip that we've recorded. So this is my clip here, and again it's just showing you the original clip how it was. Okay, once we've got this clip, we are then ready to input the camera effect that we've just done. So what we want to do is go back to the point where we're just about to fire the shot. So you'll see that we're looking down the scope, and then what I want to do is literally fire the shot, and as it starts coming out, I'm using the D-pad to move frame by frame to the right, and then as it comes out a little bit closer to where the other camera angle starts, then we want to split the clip. So we can push the square button when we've got it right, it's about there, and then go to split clip, and then we want to confirm the split clip. Okay, and that creates a gap to put the camera angle effect in. Okay, then we want to add clip, and we want to find our camera effect. So mine is down here. It was 18 seconds long, I found, so it's just this one here. Okay, and we push the cross button and then add clip using the square, and then that's just added the clip there. Now we want to find the point where we've just shot, and where is it? So we want to just keep going using the D-pad till it's just about to go into move, watching the bullet move. Okay, once you're at the point where the bullet just starts to move, you can judge it to wherever you think's best, and then you want to split it. So I'm going to come back a little bit. The gun's just fired, and there we go. I'm going to split it around here, push the split clip, and then confirm, and then we'll delete that first part, and then if we play it now, we'll see what that kind of first bit looks like. Okay, all right, so that's that bit there. We want to obviously end the clip now as well. So where we are now, maybe thinking about the volume and the sound, sorry, the sounds a little bit, or the sound effects, we maybe want to come back up a little bit so it just hits the target, and then we can split the clip there. So again, play about with it, get it how you want it, but you want to split it at the place where it makes most sense to you and your clip. Okay, so I'm going to split it here, and then I'm going to get rid of the rest of the clip. Okay, but what you could do actually, rather than get rid of it, you can move that original gameplay clip across one to the left, so just in case you've not split the other one in the right position. You can see what that looks like with that carrying on after the camera effect. Okay, so actually that looks okay, I think. Play it again, maybe just double check. Okay, so that looked absolutely fine. So we can now delete that last part of the camera effect that we don't need anymore. So we just go to delete and confirm delete. So that just leaves us with our clip. So what we can do now is push options on the controller and export to gallery. Okay, and that just makes it one whole clip again. And then we just go to share later. Okay, quick top tip is whenever you are making any kind of effects like this, always do it on individual projects and then add it to your montage at a later point. It just makes it so much easier rather than messing about with montages and using up all your memory exporting all the time. Okay, so now we've got that whole clip, we're going to go to a new project. Okay, and then we can just go to whichever theme we want to use, get rid of all these ticks and go to most recent, and that is our most recent video that we've just exported. So we're going to go into that, and here it is, all one clip all ready for us to use. Okay, that you could then finish it there and just add it to your montage whenever you wanted to. Now what you might want to do is try doing exactly the same thing but making it a faster bullet follow, and the way you do that is just by splitting the clip just the same as we did before, starting exactly where it finished, where the camera effect started, and then clipping it and splitting it again where the camera effect ends. And then once you've done that, you can go into that middle clip where the bullet follow happens, and then you can just go into time bender. So we want to push the square button, go to time bender and just double up the speed so it's ×2, and then confirm that, and then we can see what that looks like as well. So this will be the same clip, it's just bullet follow is sped up just a little bit. Okay, I hope you have found this useful. If you have, then do hit the like button and comment to let me know that you have found it useful. And here's some videos on the screen that may well be useful to you, and check out the playlists on the channel as well. There's so many Sharefactory related videos which I'm sure you will find useful. So thanks very much for watching, and bye.